Spam calls can be annoying, disruptive, and sometimes even dangerous if they are part of a scam. Fortunately, Samsung Galaxy phones include a built-in spam protection feature that helps identify and block suspicious calls before you answer them. In this guide, you'll learn how to enable spam call blocking in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Once the app opens, tap the More icon, represented by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the phone's call management options. Inside the Settings menu, tap Caller ID and Spam Protection. If the feature is currently disabled, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn the switch on to activate caller identification and spam detection. This feature works by identifying known spam numbers before you answer the call, helping you decide whether to pick up or ignore it. Next, enable the toggle labeled Block Spam and Scam Calls. Once enabled, your phone will automatically filter suspicious numbers based on the protection level you choose. You'll then have 2 blocking options. Select Block all spam and scam calls if you want the strongest protection. This option blocks a wider range of suspected spam calls. Alternatively, choose only Block high-risk scam calls if you'd prefer to receive legitimate business calls while still blocking numbers identified as dangerous scams. After selecting your preferred option, simply exit the Settings menu. Your Samsung Galaxy will save the changes automatically, so there's no need to press a save button. Your Samsung Galaxy is now better protected from unwanted spam and scam calls. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe for more Samsung tips. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends.